Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can change our voice on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my phone, and as we know guys that on Discord there is no option to change our voice or to apply voice changer. So the only way to change our voice on Discord is using another application. So first of all, I'm going to go to my Play Store, and then we can download voice changer application. You just need to search for voice changer. You can install this application guys. I recommend you to install this application on your mobile phone. If you are not Android user, you can go to your Play Store and then you can search for this application. And since I have installed this application, I just need to open up this application on my mobile phone. Okay, and we're going to use this application to change our voice. We can record our voice and then we can apply voice changer to our voice. Then we're going to share it on Discord. Okay, here we can record and change our voice, or you can open up your audio file and you can apply voice changer to your audio file, or you can use text to audio. For me, I'm just going to apply the voice changer to my audio file. I have just recorded my audio, so I'm going to use it. Okay, this is my original audio, guys. Okay. This is the original audio, and then you can apply voice changer to your audio to change it. I'm going to try this one. Okay, I'm going to use this voice effect, and then after we have selected the voice effect we want to apply, we can click on save. Okay, and you just need to wait. Okay, now the audio has been saved to my device, and I'm going to share it to my friend on Discord. I'm going to select Discord and I'm going to send it to my friend. Okay, just hold on guys. Okay, and now the audio has been sent to my friend on Discord. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change our voice on Discord. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.